Hi guys, today is going to be a short story, sadly, because when we did this job, for some reason, I wasn't thinking about recording or realized at all the surprises that we're going to find. So we didn't get prepared with the extra cameras and a tripod and the whole 9 yards. We were in a time frame, and setting up cameras does add to the job, so I wasn't even thinking about it. But I did take before and afters. However, we are going to be coming across more of these jobs pretty soon, since we've been planning for a while to start doing free cleanings for people in our area. So we hope to start doing some cleanings near the area of Santa Clarita and the San Fernando Valley. But if we start gaining more funds to do more free cleanings, we can probably expand further. If you or anyone know of someone in need of a cleaning, such as someone who is going through a difficult situation, traumatic event, a loss, or some type of mental or physical health, and cannot afford professional cleaning, please email us or call us. Our information is in the description below of every video. Today I'm going to gossip with you guys a little bit about what this client actually told me regarding his story. That said, I am here to tell you that for this home, there is no sad story behind it that would excuse a lack of care for the home. Well, actually, there is a sad story, but the true victim or victims here were actually the husband and daughters. So let me tell you that the reason why we were cleaning this home, it's because the owners of the home were selling it, and the people renting the home had to finally move out. The husband, which is the guy that was renting it, told me that they were all moving into two separate homes because he could no longer live with this abuse, and he told me the following story. Turned out that the wife had gotten an inheritance of $5 million from her parents about a year prior. Not only that, but he also told me that his entire marriage, he would only keep about $200 for himself, and his entire income, which was about $10,000 every month, was given all to her. He also mentioned that she had a compulsive shopping problem, and I could tell because she had multiple items of everything. He said that they had to get rid of so many things. Their entire garage was filled with junk. In her kitchen, she would have repetitive things, such as multiple Starbucks cups that were never even used, as well as repetitive expired food, vitamins, etc. You get the idea. I can recognize a pattern of thoughtless shopping, which is acquiring things that we don't really need, based on my work experience. His wife spent thousands of dollars on a regular basis on items she didn't need, just to throw it all away in the trash at the end. But her hardworking husband had to live and sleep in a filthy home. She could have hired cleaning services years ago, but instead she allowed the home to get to this point with pure disregard of how her family would feel. I understand that sometimes people have their own ideas about things, but when it comes to cleaning, we should all come to a common general idea, which is the fact that cleanliness is close to holiness. We should never prioritize other matters in our lives before having a clean home. No material item should come before investing in a cleaning. Whether you do it yourself, or you pay someone to do it for you, or you ask a friend or a family member to help you with it. Battle inside the next to move out, organization, packing, cleaning. Hopefully I'm putting stuff away. there any more stuff here in the cabinets left? Oh my god, there's more stuff. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. I don't know if I'm going to be able to tackle this. It's really intimidating. That kitchen is looking better now. Almost there, done. And these windows are literally like new again. Look at this. Nice. Not only did we clean and scrub every corner of this home because even the blinds were packed with dust, but we also helped with the decluttering of her entire kitchen. After so many years of devoting his life and giving his wife every penny he earned to make her happy, she never once stopped to think about what would make him happy. When she got the inheritance money, which it was about a year prior to this cleaning, she didn't spend a dime on her husband or even on a cleaning for the home for a change. Instead, she went and bought even more material things. It seems like she was having an affair with another man and spending her money on him, according to the husband. At the end, the husband decided to start fresh in a new home, and I'm glad for him. And he said that his daughters were going to be staying with him as well. Say hello. Say hello, Sam.
Abajo, Fidel.
The moral of the story is that we should learn how to value the important things and people in our lives a little better. Ta-da! Get it, guys. I got it clean. What I mean clean is clean. These are just stains. Yeah, you got behind that thing, everything, the doorknob, drill the hell out of this. Nice. And the bathroom for this part. What a difference, guys. Honestly, there is no material thing, in my opinion, that can beat living in a nice, clean home. Those last little black specks you see right there is the leftover of the lime scale that not even the pumice stone could get rid of. So I just added a little bit more product to hopefully it loosens it up and gets rid of it with a few more passes.